You already know that the electrical system is able to reconfigure itself depending on the availability of the various power sources, but also in case of failure. All these reconfigurations are performed via contactors, which are controlled by two computers called Electrical Contactor Management Units, ECMU. Each ECMU controls its own side. ECMU 1 on the left, ECMU 2 on the right. We will now study what happens in case of failure of ECMU 1. Let's assume you are the pilot non-flying. You are in flight and everything is normal. Click on the forward arrow to activate the failure. On the engine warning display, read the title of the failure. Notice that if the system page is automatically called, there is no failure shown. This is due to the fact that if the ECMU1 associated contactor control is lost, these contactors remain closed, self-held, provided the generator push-button switch is on. In consequence, the AC part of the system keeps the same configuration. For training purposes, we will call the ECAM Electrical DC page. Call ECAM Electrical DC page. Notice the new configuration of the DC part. The DC BAT bus power supply has been automatically switched to DC bus 2. Release the electrical DC key. As no corrective action is required, after review and confirmation from the pilot flying, clear electrical. No, press either clear key. The status page is displayed for review. A cyan message advises us to keep generators 1 and 2 on. Notice the list of affected systems. After review and confirmation from the pilot flying, clear the status page. ECAM action completed. You have seen an ECMU1 fault. We will now study an APU-TR circuit breakers tripped. You are in flight. Everything is correct. Click on the forward arrow to activate the On the engine warning display, read the title of the failure. Note that the ECAM circuit breakers page has to be called manually. Call ECAM circuit breakers page. On the circuit breakers page, you can read that the APU-TR circuit breakers 3PU3 is tripped on panel 5000 VU. Go back to cruise page. In order to perform the ECAM action, you have to clear the first line. Clear electrical. The system page is automatically displayed. Notice the APU-TR amber indications. The pilot flying will ask you to perform the ECAM actions. Perform ECAM action. Switching off the APU battery will enable you to save the APU battery power, should an APU start be necessary later on. After review and confirmation from the pilot flying, clear electrical. No. The status page is displayed for review. A cyan message advises us that, for an APU start, we have to switch the APU BAT back on. Also notice the APU TR indication in the Inoperative System column. After review and confirmation from the pilot flying, clear the status page. No, press the ECAM action completed.